Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto with your crypto. Calm card. First, ensure your crypto. Calm app fiat wallet is funded with your preferred currency, such as US dollars or euros. This balance is what you will use for your crypto purchases. Next, navigate to the buy section within the app. It is a straightforward process designed for quick transactions. We will cover each step to make your experience smooth and efficient. To begin, you need to fund your crypto. Calm app fiat wallet. You can easily do this through a bank transfer, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days to process. Alternatively, you might link a debit or credit card for instant deposits, though this often incurs a small fee, usually around 2.99%. Make sure the amount you deposit covers your intended crypto purchase, plus any potential transaction fees. Once your fiat wallet is funded, open the crypto. Calm app and tap the buy button. You will see a wide selection of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Select the one you wish to acquire, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to spend, and the app will display the equivalent crypto amount. Review all the details carefully, including the exchange rate, before confirming your purchase with a simple tap. Before finalizing your crypto purchase, remember a few key points. There are often daily transaction limits, which can vary based on your verification level, sometimes up to 25,000 US dollars per day. Always check for any associated fees, which are usually minimal but important to note. Finally, the exchange rate can fluctuate rapidly, so always review the displayed rate just before confirming your order to ensure you are comfortable with the price.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.